In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove multiple audio tracks from video in VLC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before you start following through with this video, make sure you are using the latest version of VLC so you won't encounter any mistakes or errors. So update VLC accordingly. After you ensure that VLC is properly updated, open it up and from an empty VLC window, select Media at the top left corner of the screen. From this drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. Alternatively, just press Ctrl-R. You will bring up this panel, Open Media, and now you can click the Add button and select the media you want to open. Now, to remove audio tracks from this media you selected, just click on Convert Save after adding it to the list. In here, click the wrench icon next to the profile and go into Audio Codec. From this window, you can disable the audio or edit the original audio track, as you can see here. If you untick the audio box, the audio will be deleted, and if you keep it ticked but untick the Keep Original Audio Track, you may now edit the audio track. After you are done deciding on what you want to do with the audio, click Save and then just include the destination for this file and click Start to start the conversion. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove multiple audio tracks from video in VLC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.